Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by finding the wallpaper file and confirming its type so Windows or your desktop environment can read it. Once located, copy that original to desktop or an external drive to preserve it. Next, get your replacement image and make sure resolution matches your display. Use 1920 x 1080 or the native resolution for best results. While you do this, keep the file names simple and avoid special characters. This prevents permission or path issues when you change settings in the next step. Open Settings and go directly to Personalization so you can replace the image. You don't need extra tools. Choose Picture, click Browse, and select the prepared replacement. Once selected, set the Fit to Fill or Fit to Match aspect ratio, fill crops, fit adds borders. Make sure to check multiple displays if you have more than one and apply per monitor images where available. If Windows rejects the file, convert it to PNG or JPG and retry. Changing file format often fixes compatibility hiccups. If the wallpaper still won't stick, check permissions and run settings as administrator so changes can write to system folders. Once done, clear cached wallpaper files from %appdata% and reboot to force reload. Also inspect synchronization services. Cloud Sync can overwrite local choices, so pause sync while testing. If problems persist, convert the image to a different format or rename it. Registry entries or cached files often cause conflicts. Finally, confirm on all displays and make small adjustments to fit as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.